Good morning. Block 4 Features of Birds. Today we are going to learn about Lesson 3 Different kinds of feet and claws. Different kinds of feet and claws. Aim explain why different birds have different kind of feet and claws. Today, the end of the class, we will be learning to explain why different birds have different kind of feet and claws. Keywords: claws, webbed. Already you have learned in grade 2 claws, you know, and webbed feet, you know it. How else are birds different from each other? The feet and claws of birds are different from each other. Then why do birds have different kinds of feet and claws? That only we will learn today. We will observe the feet and claws of different birds to find out why birds have different feet and claws. Open your workbook S3, page number 26. Then you can see pictures of many pictures of claws there. You can observe it and you have to think. You have to observe the shape, size and type of feet and claws. Okay? Now we will discuss. See these claws. Four toes. See, four toes with sharp claws. And it helps this bird, it catch small animals. These claws help the birds catch small animals. Which is the bird is this? Vulture. Vulture, eagle. Both they are having sharp claws. Next. Which bird is having webbed feet? See, near the water you can see. Oh, duck, yes. See, three toes that are webbed together. See, you can see her. And little toe at back. See, little toe. It helps them to swim. Swim in water. Good. Next, see, which bird is this? Which bird's claw? See, three toes in front and one at the back. Help it hold on to branches tightly. They can sit hold tightly on branches. And this is sparrow. Sparrow claws. See this long legs and the four toes. Help them walk near the banks of river and lakes. Which bird's claws is this? Crane. Always we can see crane near the banks of rivers and lakes to catch fish. And see, which bird is this? Chicken, hen, okay, or cock. Three toes in front and one at the back. Helps the bird walk on the ground. Three toes. in front and one at back. See, you can see here. Help the bird walk on the ground. See, this is woodpecker claws. Woodpecker claws already I had showed all pictures. Okay. Has two toes in front. See, two toes in front and two at the back. Long curved claws. Shape helps it climb and hold on to trees. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker claws. Has two toes in front. Two. See, two toes in front. Two at the back. Other birds having three at the front, one at back. Here, woodpecker is having two toes in front and two toes at the back and long curved claws. This shape helps it climb and hold on to trees. Why do birds have different kinds of feet and claws? How do feet help the bird? How do the feet give us clues about what the bird eats and where it lives? How are the beak and feet related? We will discuss. Bird's feet help the bird walk, live, and or get its food. Birds that hunt and eat other animals like vultures and eagles have sharp and strong claws to catch small animals. I showed already. Birds like ducks that swim have webbed feet. That also we observe. These help the birds to push back the water. Birds who sit on trees have claws that help them hold the branches. Birds that live around water like cranes. Cranes have feet that help them walk in muddy areas near water bodies. If we see a bird with strong claws, we can predict that it have a curved, sharp and pointed beak and eats animal. If we see a bird with webbed feet, what will you predict? We can predict that it lives in water and has a flat, broad beak to eat fish. Okay. Now, which bird's feet is this? Can you guess? Oh yes, penguin. Penguins live in very cold regions where there is a lot of snow and sea. They have webbed feet, see, webbed feet to help them swim in water and walk on snow for their food. Okay, and see webbed feet. This is a webbed feet and it helps them to swim also. Take your workbook, page number 26, and already I have explained everything. You have to observe the feet, describe the feet, how are these feet used, why, and second question. Look at the feet of the bird. What food does the bird eat? Why do you think so? See, it's having sharp claws. Sharp claws. Then you can think. And which bird is this? Okay. Which bird is this? A sharp one. Which bird is having sharp claws? Okay. You have to think and write. See you next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.